Dear future doctors, today I want to have a heart to heart with you. I know you are preparing for your NEET entrance examinations and you are feeling the pressure. Believe me, I understand, but don't lose hope. Remember, every great doctor was once where you are right now, and you are the chosen one and you are destined to become the best. You are going to change the world by saving lives, one patient at a time. I have no doubt in my mind that you are going to excel and become the future of the medical industry. Trust me when I say that it's all worth it in the end. However, it's not going to be an easy journey. You are going to have pushed yourself beyond your limits. You'll have to sacrifice sleep, food, and social gatherings, but that's the price you must pay for your dream. Remember, success comes to those who work hard for it. But I'm not here to tell you that you need to work tirelessly day in and day out. Taking care of your health both physically and emotionally is vital, and it's necessary to achieve success in any field. So, take care of yourself too while preparing for the exam. There will be undoubtedly be days where you will feel like giving up, days where you will think that it's all too much and you can't do it. Those days will come, but they'll also go. Don't let those days define your journey. Instead, when you have those days, reflect on why you started. I can't promise you that every day will be easy, but I can promise you that you are capable of achieving what you put your mind to. Join this journey with a positive mindset. Get rid of all the negativity and strive to become the best version of yourself.